And look at this car.
Yeah, it's a 1960 220.
It's been sitting here since, well, the plate says 1989, which is kind of hard to believe that it's sat in this spot since then.
We'll have this out in no time. Moving on to the interior of this 220 SE, I must say that before we turned the camera on, we had to fill a garbage can with some materials, some stuff from magazines, old magazines that we can't really show on YouTube. So I'll let your imagination go where it wants with that one.